I wish I would have known at 20 years old how important it was to have balanced uric acid levels. Most people have no clue about it, and I certainly didn't know until I was in my 60s. By that point, I had uric acid building up in my body, which comes in the form of arthritis or gout. Uric acid is essential, but any more than what you require is harmful to your kidneys and harmful to all the organs in your body, especially your glands. This product called Perfect Uric is a beautiful blend of herbs that are fully studied to make sure that when you take it, not only does it balance your uric acid levels, but it washes these uric acid crystals out of your joints and gets it out into the toilet. So make sure that you add this to your daily regimen. This is a must-have on the daily, and you gotta watch out for any imbalance in your uric acid levels. You simply add this to your smoothie or a glass of water. You just gotta get it in you once a day. If you have a really huge uric acid problem with a bunch of symptoms like that, you take it 3 times a day until those symptoms are gone, then you drop back to once a day. So shop now and get activated with Perfect Uric.